My name is Lee Bear. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Lee Bear, and today we are you were probably how I got this spinning background. It's not a spinning background. I'm actually twirling around in circles. I'm outside of my house. Holy crap, I'm dizzy. This is my house.
I don't get it. I don't get it.
I'll show you my house.
Holy,
excuse me, bud. Ow! Jeez!
He's in the fire.
This is my house, half of it. I'll show you all of it. My house, still half of it. I need to go all the way out here to show you the whole thing. That's not my house over there. There's my house. It's the whole thing. So yeah. Hopefully no cars hit me, or I'd be dead and no more YouTube. That'd be sad because you guys wouldn't have anything else to watch. Well, you would. You just gotta go somewhere else to watch anything. And these are my friends. Say hi to YouTube. Alright, so we're going to do protocol. We got Jack and AJ. Alright, so
You didn't get me.
say which one's Jack. Jack's there. AJ.
Is the guy who's blinded?
AJ's right here.
Me.
AJ's right here, and Ian's right here.
The little kid.
Oh, yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, that's the guy I watch all the
Hey,
time.
this picture.
It's sunny day out. If I tell you what neighborhood I live in, you're still not going to find out where I live. Just going to say Coyote Run. It's the neighborhood I live in. But you don't know my location. Ha! So, it's kind of boring out here. And I'm not going to record inside. This is the third video today. We didn't have anything special today except for the water that we are doing. Stupid flies. So yeah, water that we were doing. What, did she fall through the roof again? She fall through the roof. AJ, show them the video where Toy Bonnie, Toy Chica, and Mango fall through the roof. Well, Mango falls through the floor. So. Yeah, that's probably. Yeah, okay. Good. Good. Here, my headphones. Bouncy. Boing, boing, boing. They're like memory foam, sort of. What I do? Hit play?